Hi, I'm Maria Speth with J. Berg & Wilk. My area of practice is intellectual property and internet law. Starting at probably the end of this year or possibly the beginning of next year, registries will be offering a whole bunch of new generic top-level domain names, and there will be hundreds of them. So the first thing I would say that you should do is look to see if there's going to be a GTLD in your industry. For instance, there's one for .law, .lawyer. If there's one in your industry, then you'll want to keep an eye on that and see whether or not you're going to want to buy a domain name from the registry that ends in that industry. So for instance, if you're a restaurant, you're Bob's Burgers, you might want to look to see when is .restaurant going to become available, because you might want to buy Bob's Burgers .restaurant. The other thing that you want to think about is protecting your trademark in this new environment of all these new GTLDs. So what you don't want is you don't want somebody else to buy up your company name or your brand name along with your industry. And so the other thing that I would recommend that you do is you think about filing your trademark with a trademark clearinghouse. Now, first of all, you have to have a registered trademark to do this, and if you're doing business on the internet, you ought to have a federally registered trademark. So if you're already federally registered, you should look into or consider looking into the trademark clearinghouse, because once you're in the trademark clearinghouse, you'll get what's called a sunrise period. And what that basically means is you get to register your trademark in your industry before other people can. You'll have a little grace period, a sunrise period ahead of time. Also, if somebody tries to register your trademark, your exact trademark, you'll get notification of it. So those are two good reasons to enter into the trademark clearinghouse. The new GTLD list is on our firm's website at www.jbergwilk.com. And if you click on Services and then under Services you click on Internet and Technology, the entire list is there.